So let's talk about roofing insurance and the purpose of it. Roofing insurance is a coverage that's within your general liability policy that actually allows you to work. It gives you coverage to be able to work at certain heights. Some policies may have height exclusions. Some policies may have exclusions for roofing. And it's very important. I see people posting all the time on like Facebook looking for roof repairs or roof replacement, or, they're going around to different companies. And a lot of these companies will falsify the fact that they have insurance by just saying that they're licensed and insured. And they'll show what's called a certificate of insurance, which is a piece of paper showing the proof of insurance. But does that actually show you that you have proper coverage? No. Proper coverage will actually be seen either in your declarations page. Sometimes they don't even show the exclusions that are within the policy. You can see that on the exclusions page. But sometimes you have to take a deep dive into the policy. And it's unfortunate because when you take a deep dive into the policy, that policy could be like 200 pages long. And most people, even contractors, don't even know what they're looking for. So what a lot of companies will do is they'll look at the insurances based off of the price, right? And they'll take a policy that has a roofing exclusion, or they'll take a policy that doesn't have roofing coverage at all and say that they do roofing. And how does that affect you as a homeowner is the fact that there is no liability coverage in the event there's an issue with the roof. If somebody causes damage to your property, there's potential liability if somebody were to get hurt and there wasn't proper insurance. So with our solar division, a lot of the time we have roofing contractors that want to come aboard and let us do the solar and then them do the roof. And the only way that I can allow them to do that and protect my homeowners and myself properly is by checking their insurance. And I, of course, in the business know what to look for. And it pains me every day when I see homeowners getting duped with policies that have this exclusion, and homeowners that are not realizing it's there because they don't know to ask. So today's my public service announcement to make sure that all homeowners are aware before anybody steps foot on your roof. You make sure that there is roofing coverage in the policy. And don't be scared to ask. This is your house. This is you potentially facing a lawsuit if something happens. And you want to make sure you know that they have the right coverage before they get on your property. I reviewed a policy yesterday that I could see just from the premium, the company was paying $7,700 a year. I would love to pay that because I'd pay more than that probably a week. And it's scary because a minimum earned premium on Long Island just to work in Nassau and Suffolk County is $30,000 a year for a minimum roofing coverage policy, right? If you're going to work in the boroughs, your minimum earned premium, meaning the minimum premium you're going to pay to have proper coverage, is $50,000. Those are some big numbers. So what people do is they limit the liability and they limit their coverage by not taking the policy and exposing the homeowner as well as themselves. So make sure you do your homework. Make sure you check your roofing coverage before you get a project done.